It wasn't doing it at school. What the heck?
Here, open that. Let that stay open for a minute. I'll turn the air off. So you had it up too high.
Did you turn it down?
Yes, I did.
Where'd you turn it down to?
It's still rolling.
And the thunder rose. Hey, but these cookies smell good too.
Y'all,
Don't eat it.
we gotta get it out here. Turn it back off. No, we didn't. Too much in that lung, our lungs and what class.
I gotta go inside. That's the tip sucked. What? Look at balls.
I'm gonna set the smoke detectors on. I don't know.
It's rolling out. Yeah.
No more.
Yes, we have to cook some more. Do you think using the deep fryer would be better? Instead of the pan?
I'm gonna pass out and get sick over that.
No, we won't. It'll get out of
Getting our love.
Whoa, don't go back in there yet.
Damn, man. No more.
Mom, we have to. Do you think the deep fryer would be better?
Go turn that burner off. I'll do it.
Hold your chair over your nose. Are you recording? Oh my god, this tip was so bad. If you're gonna fix Oreos, deep fried Oreos, don't do it on stove. And don't turn up your pan real hot.
Oreos the normal way with milk.
No, because they're good on kids. We're just gonna cut them out of the house. We'll get better.
And don't do like they did.
Look, see, it's not that smoky anymore.
Look, I turned it off. The grease is off.